Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. In this video we are going to be talking about the Galaxy Note 9, which is yet to be released by Samsung. According to the Samsung, it's going to be released on 9th of August in New York City, but the rumors and leaks about the Note 9 are just insane. According to the leaks, it's going to offer us 6.4 inches of display. For the processor, we are looking at a Snapdragon 845, which is a very powerful processor. For the RAM, we are looking at two versions, 6GB and 8GB. For the internal storage, there are three different versions, a 64GB, a 256GB and a 512GB. But according to some leaks, 512GB is going to be only available for the South Korean market. But we will see, because Samsung is used worldwide, so Samsung has to change their policy for 512GB for only the South Korean market. For the cameras, we are looking at dual cameras on the back, and for the selfie camera, we are looking at 8 megapixel. The battery is a big jump from his brother, the Note 8, a 4000 mAh battery. For the OS, we are looking at Android Oreo. So guys, there are some very amazing leaks from username Ice Universe on Twitter. He has also uploaded the box of the Note 9. From the picture, we could see that the design of the Note 9 is same as the Note 8, but the thing that is very different is the S Pen. The first thing, it's in yellow color. And the second thing, it confirmed in another tweet that the Note 9 S Pen can be used to do much more stuff as compared to the Note 8 S Pen. In his tweet, he said that the Note 9 S Pen can be used to control long range, self-timer, control music playback because it has a Bluetooth device. He also mentioned some other feature about the S Pen in his tweet. So guys, he has also confirmed the price. The price of the Note 9 is going to be same as the Note 8, which is very nice because Samsung is not increasing the price like Apple is increasing for the iPhone X, because iPhone X this year was very expensive and not everybody could afford it. So guys, according to the leaks, the design is going to be same as the Note 8, but of course Samsung is going to change some of the things to make it different. So guys, that's it for this video. If you like the video, make sure to give it a like, and if you want me to make new videos about the S10 rumors and S10 leaks, then definitely let me know in the comment section. With that being said, that's it for this video, and thanks for watching.